Hi everyone, welcome to
amazing channel of brilliant Qatar.
When you're rubbing one body with another body, electrons are transferred from one object to another object. Okay, this process, this type of electricity is been given a name.
halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving two equal lobes. But in case of cartilage fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into two equal half this fin.
Brilliant Qatar.
Hello, good evening all. To yet another session of biology live class. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, today we are going to study the chapter How do organisms reproduce? Okay, let's start the class. Are you ready? Yeah, we'll start with the first question. Okay, see your question. First question. Offspring during reproduction show. Characters that are transmitted from parents to offspring during reproduction show. So here are the options. Only similarities, only variation with parents, both similarities and variation with parents, and neither similarities nor variations. Which is the correct option? Which one is the correct option? Start commenting. Okay, see here. Only similarities with parents. Is that correct? No. There will be variations too, right? So, which one is the correct answer? Correct option. See, both similarities and variations. Okay, both similarities and variations with parents. Not only similarities or variations. It's both similarities and variations. Okay, so the correct option is both similarities and variation with parents. Okay, let's do the next question. Yeah, very good. All are commenting correct answers. Okay. Choose the correct statement. Budding in yeast from the following. You have to choose the correct statement of budding in yeast. So these are the options. Parent cell divides into 2 or more daughter cells, and here the parent identity is lost. Is that correct in the case of yeast? What kind of reproduction yeast is undergoing? What kind of reproduction in yeast? Can you comment? What kind of reproduction is found in yeast? What kind of reproduction is found in yeast? It's budding, right? It's budding. The type of reproduction found in yeast is budding. How budding is happening in yeast? In parent yeast, a very small bud will be formed and the nuclei will divide. Then the bud will be separated from the parent yeast and that will be separated as a new organism. Okay, daughter cell. See here, it is bud. Statement is, first statement you see, a parent cell divides into 2 or more daughter cells and here the parent identity is lost. Is that correct in the case of budding? No, it is fission, right? It is fission. When the parent cell divides into daughter cells, it is called a fission. We have learned about binary fission and multiple fission, where the parent organism divides into daughter cells. So this statement is not correct about budding. See the next one. In this, the elongated nucleus divides to form 2 or more daughter nuclei. That is also correct in the case of fission. So that is also the wrong statement. Now see the third statement. A bud arises from a particular region on a parent body. Yes, it is the proper statement for budding. A bud arises from a particular region on a parent body. And see the fourth statement. After detaching from the parent body, the bud grows into a new independent individual. Yes, that is also the correct statement about budding. So that statement also correct. So from this, which one is the correct option? Which one is the correct option from this? Yeah, very good. It is option D, third and fourth only. It is option D, third and fourth. Okay. Option D, third and fourth. See here, the first two statement is about fission. Now see the statements. These are about budding. So, choose the correct statements on budding in yeast from the following. You have to select the correct statement about budding in yeast. So, the correct option is third and fourth one. Okay, let's do the next question. The number of chromosomes in parents and offsprings of a particular species remains constant. The number of chromosomes in offsprings remain constant. That means we have 23 pairs of chromosomes, right? We have 23 pairs of chromosomes. And all the offsprings also have 23 pairs of chromosomes, right? But the zygote is formed by the fusion of 2 nuclei. Zygote is formed by the fusion of 2 nuclei, that is ovum, okay, ovum and sperm. Then also zygote is having same number of chromosomes. 2 cells fuse together to form the cell zygote. Then also zygote is having same number of chromosomes. How is it possible? Okay, let's see the statement. The number of chromosomes remain constant due to doubling of chromosomes after zygote formation. Is that correct? No. It is the wrong statement. It is not the doubling of chromosome. Halving of chromosomes during gamete formation. See, all of you know that our somatic cells means other than sperm and ovum, it's mitotic division. The division happening, it is mitotic division. But in ovum and sperm, what kind of division is happening? What kind of division it is? It is meiotic division. It is meiotic division. Meiosis. It is meiosis. During meiosis, what will happen? What will happen during meiosis? The chromosome number will become half. It is reduction division. Meiosis is a reduction division in which the chromosome number, if it is 23 pairs of chromosome, it will become only 23. So the chromosome number will become half during meiosis. So in ovum and sperm, meiosis is happening. Okay. Meiosis is happening in ovum. Yeah, very good. Comment your answers. Share this link to your friends also. Okay. Share the link to your friends also so they can also join. Okay. So in ovum and sperm, what kind of division is happening? It is meiosis. During meiotic division, the chromosome number will be having 23 number of chromosome and sperm will be having another 23 number of chromosome. And all together, it will be 23 pairs of chromosome. So, which one is the correct answer for this? It is due to halving of chromosomes during gamete formation. It is due to halving of chromosome during gamete formation. Yeah, very good. Very good. Keep it up. Please share the link with your friends. Okay, so that they can also join. They can also join in this. Comment your answers. Okay, let's do the next question. See, the following figure, different stages of binary amoeba is depicted. Okay, in the following figure, you can see different stages of binary fission in amoeba, which are not in the proper sequence. You have to find out which are not in the proper sequence. The correct sequences, you can see these are not in the proper sequences. Okay, the correct sequence, which is the correct sequence here? The fission in amoeba, binary fission in amoeba. The correct sequence you have to find out. See, the first one here, which is the parent cell, here, which is marked as 2 is the parent cell, right? Which is marked as 2 is the parent cell. From the parent cell, okay, the cell will elongate, the nuclei will elongate for fission. Second, then it will be the third, the second stage will be the third one, and it will be the fourth one. You can see here it is going to divide into 2. It is going to divide into 2. And finally the first one, it divided into 2 different daughter cells. Completely divided into 2 daughter cells. Okay. So, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option here? Second, third, one. Second, third, fourth and 1. Which is the correct option? Option A. Option A. It is binary fission in amoeba. This is binary fission in amoeba. Okay. Let's do the next question. Very good. Keep it up. Very good. Okay. Gayatri, Mridul, Muhammad Ash. Very good. Shreya. DST, Logis, Mridul. Very good. Very good. One is Karthik Rathod. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Share the link to your friends so that they can also join the class. Okay. Let me see who is scoring the best in this. All easy questions from this very easy chapter. How do organisms reproduce? Okay. Let's do the next question. In Rhizopus, tubular thread-like structures bearing sporangia at their tips are called. In Rhizopus, the tubular thread-like structures bearing sporangia at their tips called. What is the name? See, in Rhizopus, as you know, in Rhizopus, the structure you know, tubular structures bearing what? Sporangia. Tubular structures bearing the sporangia. And what is this tubular structures known as? That is the question. What is this tubular structures known as? Tashif, Vinika, Anil, Shreya. Okay, very good. What is this tubular structures known as? This tubular structures known as hyphae. Okay, the tubular structures known as hyphae. So which is the correct option? Option B. Option B. Hyphae. Okay, tubular structures known as hyphae. So this is sporangia and the tubular structure known as hyphae. Okay, very good. Comment your answers fast. Share the link to your friends. Let's do the next question. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, the next question. Which of the following statements are true for flowers? Which of the following statements are true for flowers? See, flowers are always bisexual. The first statement is given, flowers are bisexual. Is that statement correct? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hi, Faye. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, I could see the energy from your comments. I could see the energy from your comments. All are eagerly waiting for the questions and they seriously preparing for the board exam. Yeah, very good. Very good. Mayank. Yeah, very good. Gayatri, Satish, Karthik Rathod. Okay, when we read the comments, our question will be in painting. Okay, let's do this. Which of the following statements are true about flowers? First one, flowers are always bisexual. Is that flowers are always bisexual? Is that flowers are always bisexual? No. There are unisexual flowers too. There are unisexual flowers too. So, this statement is not correct. This statement is wrong. Flowers are always bisexual. That statement is wrong. And second one, they are the sexual reproductive organs. Yes, they are the sexual reproductive organs. That is the function of flower. That statement is correct. They are the sexual reproductive organs. Now third one, they are produced in all groups of plants. Is that correct? Is that correct? They are produced in all groups of plants. Are you studied like that? Flowers are there in all the plants. Did you see flowers in all the plants around you? Did you see the plants all around you? All the plants around you? Huh? Did you observe it? Ever? Ever observed your environment? Huh? No. Yes. You cannot see the flowers in all groups of plants. The plants which produce flowers are called angiosperms, right? Okay, you will learn in detail in 11th grade. Okay, you learn this detail. Okay, anyway, all plants won't produce flowers. That's the fact, right? All plants won't produce flowers. Okay, now see, They are produced in all groups of plant. That is wrong. After fertilization, rise to fruits. After fertilization, flowers give rise to fruits. Yes, flowers give rise to fruits. So, this statement is correct. So, we got second and fourth statement correct. And first and third statement wrong. So, which option? Second and fourth is correct. So, which option? Which option? It is recorded. That's why it's like. Mridul, what is your doubt? Is it recorded or live? It is live. It is live. It is not a recorded class. It's live. I could see your comment. I'm replying to your comment. It is live. Okay. It is not a recorded class. What is it? Okay. Okay. So, which is the correct option? Option D. Second and fourth statement. Okay. Second and fourth statement is correct. Had your dinner? All of you? Had your dinner? Don't go to sleep. Okay. Now, it is only 8:15. 8. Okay. So, stay here. Comment all the answers. Let me see how many of you are scoring the best and how many of you are online till the class ends. Okay, let me check. Next question. During adolescence, several changes occur in human body. Mark the change from the following associated with sexual maturation in boys. See, it is given sexual maturation in boys. You have to mark the special change that occurs during the sexual maturation in boys during the stage of adolescence. During the stage of adolescence, you have to mark the change. Here you have loss of milk teeth. Of course not. Of course not. Loss of milk teeth. Okay. You all lost your milk teeth now? You all lost your milk teeth now? No, it is like in childhood. So, a big wrong. Loss of milk teeth. Increase in height. Increase in height. Always, it is not like any, what you call 6 difference is there. Increase in height is all the time. You can see the change when you list the changes in adolescence, increase in height is there. But especially, which change happens during adolescence, that you have to mark. Increase in height, weight gain, everything will be there. That will be there in all the time. So only that point, that statement that is only seen in adolescence. Which one is that? That is cracking of voice. Cracking of voice. That is the change, right? Cracking of voice. Very good. I'm very happy to see your response. You're all live and sending all the correct answers. Muhammad Ash, Venika, Muhammad Ash. Okay. Many comments are coming. It is option C, cracking of voice. Cracking of voice. Okay. Let's do the next question. Ready? Okay. See. Which among the following statements are true for sexual reproduction in flowering plants? Which among the following statements are true for sexual reproduction in flowering plants? Let's see the question. Let's see the options. It requires 2 types of gametes. For the sexual reproduction in flowering plants, is it require 2 types of flowers? Sorry, is it require 2 types of gametes? Yes. For the fertilization, it requires 2 types of gametes. Okay, it requires 2 types of gametes. That statement is correct. Fertilization is a compulsory event. Yes, that also correct. In flowering plants for reproduction, fertilization is a compulsory event. Okay, It always results in the formation of zygote. It always results in the formation of zygote. Yes, that is also correct. After fertilization, what will be formed? What will be formed after fertilization? Zygote will be formed, right? Then last one, offsprings formed are clones. Offsprings formed are clones. Is that called clones? For after sexual reproduction in flowering plants, is that called clones? Never. Never. What are clones? What are clones? Clones are, it's not at all related with sexual reproduction. Okay. It is not at all related with sexual reproduction. It is exact copy, that we can make the exact copy of young ones from any cell of a organism. That is clones, exact copy. So it is not at all related with sexual reproduction. So from these options, from these statements, which all are these statements correct? First, second and third statements are correct, right? So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yeah. It can be C and D. It is the same option. C, 1, 2 and 3. 1, first and second and third. Okay, let's do the next one. Characters. Okay, next question. See the next question. Characters transmitted from parent to offspring are present in. Characters transmitted from parents to offsprings are present in. Where the characters are present? Is it in cytoplasm? Is it in cytoplasm? Or is it in ribosomes? Or Golgi bodies? Or genes? Where the characters are present, characters transmitted from parents to offsprings are present in. It is? Yeah, of course, it is in genes. Genes. Okay, what are genes? Genes. Genes are the part of DNA, which is the part of heredity, right? Which transmit the character, which transfer their character from parents to offsprings. So, which is the correct option here? It is a direct question. Characters transmitted from offsprings are present in genes. So, it is option D. It is option D. Yeah, very good. Mayank, Shreya. Yeah. It is option D. Let's do the next question. Okay, here is your question. See the question. Semen which contain millions of sperms also contain secretions of seminal vesicle and prostate gland or accessory glands. It makes the transport of sperms easier and provide nutrition to sperms. Correct sequence of organs in the male reproductive system for transport of sperm is. How the transport of sperm happens. Which is the pathway of transport of sperms. Which is the pathway of transport of sperms. It is from testis. It is from testis where the sperms produced to the sperm duct, right? The sperm duct or vas deferens and to the common passage, for both sperm and urine. Which is that? Urethra. It is urethra. So, which is the correct option here? Which one is the correct option here? Semen which also contains secretions of seminal vesicle and prostate gland. It makes the transport of sperms easier to provide nutrition to sperm. Correct sequence of organs in male reproductive system for the transport of sperm is from testis to vas deferens to urethra. Testis to vas deferens to urethra. Which one is the correct option? Option A. Very good. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. So it is option A. Testis to vas deferens to urethra. Are you ready to do the next question? Yeah. Okay. Reproduction is essential for living organisms to order. Okay. Reproduction is essential for living organisms to order to which of the following? Which of the following? Here we have keep the individual alive, fulfill their energy, maintain growth, continue the species generation after generation. Which one is the correct option here? Reproduction is essential for living organisms in order to... Yes, very good, very good. It is continue the species generation after generation. It is continuity of life. Reproduction is essential for the continuity of life, right? So here, which is the correct option? Option D. Option D is the correct one. It is not to keep the individual organism alive. It is not to fulfill the energy requirements, and it is not to maintain growth. It is to continue the species generation of generation. So reproduction is meant for continuity of life. Continuity of life. Very good. Little more active. Comment. Your answers all should participate. Okay. Those who are watching all should participate in commenting. Okay. Let's do the next question. Are you ready? Okay. Which one of the following permanent end of menstrual cycle in female? Which one of the following permanently marks the menstrual cycle in females? End of menstrual cycle. The name itself that is there. Okay, what is menarche? Tell me, what is menarche? It is the first menstrual. It is the first menstruation. First menstruation during puberty in human female is called menarche. Menarche. Menarche is the first menstruation. Menarche. First menstruation is called menarche. And what is ovulation? Ovulation. Ovulation is the release of ovum from ovary. It is the release of ovum from ovary. Ovulation is the release of ovum from ovary. Pregnancy, of course. Then what is menopause? It is given menopause. Menopause it is given. Here is menopause. It is the end of menstrual cycle. It is the end of menstrual cycle. Okay. It is the end of menstrual cycle. It is the end of menstrual cycle. So here it is. Which option is correct? It is option B. Option B is the correct one. Menopause. So the following permanently marks the end of menstrual cycle is menopause. If the question like which is the first menstruation in human female called, it will be menarche then. The answer will be menarche. It is asked like which is the end of menstrual cycle. Which is the end of menstrual cycle. That is menopause. Menopause. Okay. You can expect this question. See, from this part, one question you can expect for your board exam. Okay. Next question for you. Ready? Ready? Okay. See, which among the following diseases is not sexually transmitted? You have to select a disease which are not sexually transmitted among this, which are not sexually transmitted. Here are the options: syphilis, hepatitis, HIV, and gonorrhea. So from this, which is not sexually transmitted, comment your answers fast. It is very easy question. It is very, very easy question. You should comment your answer fast. Okay. So which is the correct one? It is hepatitis. Hepatitis. See, syphilis, HIV, gonorrhea, all are sexually transmitted diseases. Right? But hepatitis is a waterborne viral disease. It's a waterborne disease. It is not transmitted. It is not transmitted through sexual contact. It is a waterborne disease. So, which is the correct option? It is hepatitis. Hepatitis. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. It is hepatitis. All three are sexually transmitted disease. And the short form of sexually transmitted disease is, it is STD, sexually transmitted disease, STD. Okay. Mridul, Shilpa Chandran, Shreya, very good, very good. Okay, let's do the next one. Next question. Here is a diagram in front of you. Okay, there is a diagram. See here. I will highlight so that you could see properly. Okay, so the sketch of a dicotyledonous seed is shown below. Okay, the sketch of a dicotyledonous seed is shown below. So you know that there are two types of seeds with the two cotyledons are called dicotyledonous seeds, and with a single cotyledon are called monocotyledonous seed. So here it is a dicotyledonous seed. Okay. Now what you have to find out? The correct labeling for parts A, B, C and D in proper sequence. In proper sequence, you have to find out the correct parts. Okay. See, let's label this. Okay. Now, join with me. Okay. You first, we can label it. First one, A. Which is the first one? Part A. Part A is this, right? Part A. Which is the first one? Which is the first one? Can you comment? Which is the first part here? It is plumule. It is plumule. Okay. Plumule. And which is B? It is called a radicle. Radicle. It is radicle. And C here, which is marked as C, is seed coat. It is seed coat. Okay. So I will label with the red so that you can see it clearly. Plumule, radicle, and see here, seed coat. Okay, seed coat. And what is this D? cotyledon. It is cotyledon. Okay, cotyledon. So this is the order A, B, C and D. This order it is plumule, radicle, seed coat and cotyledon. So which one is in correct order here? In this option, which one is in correct order here? Have given you the answer. Start commenting your answer. Plumule, radicle, seed coat and cotyledon. What is plumule? Tell me what is plumule. Plumule is the part. Okay. Plumule is the part grows as stem. Okay. Which stem? Grows as stem. And what is radicle? What is radicle? Radicle is the part which grows as root in a developing plant. Radicle develops as root and plumule will develop as stem. So which is the correct option? It is option D. Plumule, radicle, seed coat, cotyledon. Yeah, very good. Future seed. All are commenting correct answers. Future seed. Okay. So it is plumule, radicle, seed coat and cotyledon. Okay. Are you ready for the next question? Are you ready? Let's do the next question. Okay. Which of the following is not the part of female reproductive system? Which of the following is not the part of female reproductive system? Here it is ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, vas deferens. Which of the following is not a part of female reproductive system? It is very easy. Direct question. See, you know that ovary is a part of female reproductive system. Fallopian tube is a part of female reproductive system. Of course, uterus is the part of female reproductive system. But vas deferens is here. Vas deferens is not the part of female reproductive system. So, what is vas deferens? We have learnt it in the previous question. What is vas deferens, right? Vas deferens is sperm duct that is present in male reproductive system. Male reproductive system which carry sperm from testis, which carry sperm from testis. So the correct option here, it is not there in female reproductive system. That is vas deferens. Vas deferens is the part of male reproductive system. Okay, let's do the next one. Vidya Lakshmi, very good. Next question. Select the statement that are incorrect about reproduction in human being. You have to select the statement that are incorrect about the reproduction in human being. Here are the options. When a girl is born, ovaries already contain thousands of mature eggs. Is that statement correct? Is that statement correct? Yes, when a girl is born, it's certain thousands of mature eggs won't be there. There will be immature eggs, okay? There will be immature eggs. Eggs will be there, but that will be immature. So you can mark the statement as wrong because this statement here it is given mature eggs. There will be eggs. Yes, there will be eggs, but it won't be mature eggs. It will be immature eggs. One egg is produced every month of one of the ovaries. Yes. Yes, it is correct. Eggs will be produced each and every month, right? That is called a menstrual cycle. During menstrual cycle, one egg will be released from ovary. One egg will be released from ovary. So that is correct. The egg is carried from ovary to the womb through oviduct. Yes. The egg is carried from ovary to womb through oviduct. That statement is also correct. The two oviducts unite into a bag-like structure known as cervix. Is that correct? The two bag-like structure, the two oviducts unite to a bag-like structure, elastic bag-like structure called a cervix. Is that correct? No. It is uterus. It is not cervix. It is not cervix. It is uterus. So this statement is wrong. This statement is also wrong. So from this, we can see that second and third statements are correct about human reproduction. Second and third statements are correct about human reproduction. Here you can see second and third statement, it is given in option C. Option C. Okay. That is, one egg is produced every month by one of the ovary during menstrual cycle it is. And the egg is carried from the ovary to the womb through oviduct. These two statements are correct. So it is option C. It is option C. See, all of you commented the correct answer. Mridul, Abhin, Mohammadash, very good. Narayan. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, see here. Study the diagram. One diagram is given here about male reproductive system. One diagram is given. Here, you have to select the row containing incorrect information. You have to select the row containing incorrect information. Which row contains the incorrect information? See, P that is marked here is was difference, which transport sperms. Is that statement correct? Is that statement correct? Yes. We have learnt it in the previous questions that was difference, otherwise it is known as sperm duct, carries sperm from the testis. So this P that is marked here, P was difference which transports the sperm, that is correct. Okay, Q is seminal vesicle which provides fluid medium sperms. Q is seminal vesicle which provide fluid medium to sperm. So where is Q? Q is marked here. Is that seminal vesicle? Is that seminal vesicle? No, it is not seminal vesicle. It is bulbourethral gland. So the Q which is marked is the wrong one. Q, it is marked is the wrong one. R is ureter, that is correct. R is ureter, which passage of sperm, and S is testis, where the formation of sperm take place. S is sperm. Okay, S is testis, where the formation of sperms take place. So all these three are correct, but here it is marked as Q as seminal vesicle is wrong. So it is B. It is B. Okay, let's do the next question. Okay, here again a dicotyledonous seed is given. A dicotyledonous seed is given. Study the figure below and identify the row containing incorrect information. You have to identify the row containing incorrect information. Okay, you have to identify the row containing incorrect information here. A is cotyledon. Now we have solved it. We have done this diagram before. So you know A is cotyledon. It is the future plant. A. It is marked here. A is cotyledon. But the function is given. It is the future plant. Is it cotyledon the future plant? Is the cotyledon is future plant? No. Cotyledon is the storage place, okay, which store the food for the growing plant. This is growing plant. The plumule, the radicle, and this one is the growing plant, okay. So cotyledon is the place where it stores food for the growing plant. So here it is given, A is cotyledon only. It is the future plant. It is not the future plant. It stores food for the plants. It stores food for the plants. So this statement, first statement itself, it is incorrect. It is the incorrect statement. So which one is the correct option? It is option A. A is the incorrect statement. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Muhammadash. Mayank. Right path. Okay. Abhinav. Okay. All commented the correct answer. It is option A. It is option A. Now, let's do the next question. Okay. Identify the incorrect statements from among the following. You have to identify the incorrect statements among the following. See here, about unisexual flowers. About unisexual flowers. What is meant by a unisexual flower? What is meant by a unisexual flower? What is a unisexual flower? A unisexual flower contains either stamen or pistil. Either male reproductive system or female reproductive system. That is called a unisexual flower. It contains either male reproductive system or female reproductive system. That is why it is given uni. Uni means single. Okay, single, one. Only one reproductive organ. It contains only one reproductive organ. Either stamen or pistil. Either male reproductive system or female reproductive system. You have to find out the incorrect statement among the following about the unisexual flowers. See here. They always possess stamen and pistil. The first statement is wrong, right? They always possess stamen and pistil. No, that is a bisexual flower. When it possesses both stamen and pistil, it is known as a bisexual flower. So that statement is wrong. They possess either stamen or pistil. They possess either stamen or pistil. Yes, they possess either stamen or pistil. Either stamen or pistil is the correct one. Okay. They show cross-pollination. Of course, they show cross-pollination. They will show cross-pollination. The pollination among different flowers. They will allow cross-pollination. Yes. Unisexual flowers possessing only stamen cannot produce fruits. Unisexual flowers possessing only stamen cannot produce fruits. Here, why they cannot produce fruits? Because it is stamen. Stamen is the if they contain only stamen, they cannot undergo fertilization and they cannot produce fruits. So, which one is the correct option here? Which one is the incorrect statement? Correct option? That is the first one. Okay. They always possess stamen and pistil. They always possess stamen and pistil is the incorrect one. So that is the correct option. That is the correct option. See the other three options, like they possess either stamen or pistil is correct. They show cross-pollination is correct. Unisexual flowers possessing only stamen cannot produce flowers. That is also correct. So the first correct option is the first one, option A. So very good. Very good. Good response. Keep it up. Keep it up. Anyway, the 2 hours class, you are live for the 2 hours. It is very happy to see you guys are online for the continuous 2 hours. It shows It shows your interest. It shows your interest towards your board exam and you are seriously studying for your board exam. You're very serious. Very good. Rahul Vijay. Okay. So the next question. The part where fertilization occurs in human female is. The part where fertilization occurs in human female is. Where the fertilization occurs. It is a very easy question. So comment it fast. Okay, where it is? Where the fertilization occurs? The fertilization occurs in oviduct. The fertilization occurs in oviduct. Otherwise, what is it known as? Fallopian tube or oviduct. Fallopian tube or oviduct. The fertilization take place in fallopian tube or oviduct. So, oviduct. D is the correct answer. Niranjan, Ramesh, very good. Finin, very good. Shafika, Niranjan, very good, very good. Abhinav. Okay, let's do the next question. Are you ready? Okay, the next question for you. The organs or parts of human reproductive system and their functions. Identify the wrong incorrect information. See here, some questions you can see repeatedly it is coming. You have to find out the incorrect information because you have to practice these questions. Because always, if the straight question is there, it will. You should be practice this kind of question which is little bit twisty. Okay, so it is the part or organ of reproductive system is given here. The function is given here, and you have to find out the row which contain incorrect information. See here, first one, prostate gland and seminal vesicle, production of fluid to provide a medium of sperm. Yes, it is the gland. It is the function of gland to provide the medium for provide a fluid medium. That is the function of gland. This is correct. Testis secretes the hormone that regulates formation of sperm. Secretes. Your testis secretes the hormone testosterone which regulate the formation of sperms. Correct. Uterus provides from mother's blood to embryo. You have learned the structure which provide nutrition from mother's blood to embryo. Which structure is that? That is placenta, right? That is placenta. It is not uterus. That is placenta. So this statement C, this row C is the incorrect one. See the last one, fallopian tube carries from ovaries to womb. That is also the correct one. So which is the incorrect one? That is uterus, which provides nutrition from mother's blood to embryo. That is the incorrect one. Okay. Let's do the next one. So, which of the following disease is transmitted sexually? You have to find out again and sexually transmitted disease. The full form also will be asked for the exam. Can be asked STD, sexually transmitted disease. This question, which of the following disease is transmitted sexually? See here, Kala Azar, jaundice, cholera, syphilis. We have learnt it in the previous question. It is syphilis. All three are not transmitted through sexually. Okay, let's do the next question. We'll do the maximum questions within a short time. Okay, within a short span of time, we'll do the maximum questions. Next one. Which of the following is a contraceptive? Contraceptive. What is a contraceptive? What is a contraceptive? The device or the medium which is used to stop pregnancy is called a contraceptive, right? It is called a contraceptive. Here, see here, copper T, pills, diaphragm, all of this. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Comment it fast. This is the last question. We are going to wind up the session. Comment it. Which is the correct one? It is all of this, because copper T, pills, diaphragm, all these are contraceptives. All these are contraceptives. So which is the correct option here? It is all of this. All of these are contraceptives. Okay, hope you all understand the class properly, and we'll be back because this is only part 1. This chapter contained a lot of questions and we cannot complete it in this 60 minutes, right? So we'll be back with another questions, second set of questions from this chapter, how do organisms reproduce? Okay, keep tuned the channel Brilliant Qatar. Good night.
Hi everyone, welcome to
Amazing channel of Brilliant Qatar.
When you're rubbing one body with another body, electrons are transferred from one object to another object. Okay, this process, this type of electricity is been given a name.
halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving 2 equal lobes. But in case of cartilage fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into 2 equal half this fin.
Brilliant Qatar.